Anyway, guys, welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. Late intro, just know that we're fishing. Might have to hop out, but I'm gonna try to stick it through. But late intro, stay tuned and watch. Peace. All right, let's get started here. Good old goat minnow. Oh yeah. Let's try to catch some panfish and then use it as cut bait. That'll be fun. Haven't done that in a while since we had a long, nice, cold, you could say winter, right? It was pretty cold. Put the goat here. We need at least 5 bluegills. Just 5. It's a little windy today, so bear with the wind. It's windier than usual. A storm is rolling in, so let's see if these fish are active. All right, let's start up close right here. I don't know if there's any fish here. Oh, I got him. Yeah. Oh, dude. Oh, it's a smallie. Gosh. Okay. First smallie. But we need bluegills. There we go. Yeah, we got a big bluegill. Oh, no. It popped off. Ah. What? That was a big bluegill. Man, I got to set my drags a little more. Get that good hook set. All right, so I have about 38% left of this battery, which is fine. It's gonna force me to go back. So my goal is to catch at least 2 bluegills that we can use for a cut bait. Let's see what happens, okay? Just gotta be very careful here. There's some big old boulders laying around, apparently. Just random boulders. All right, this tree right here looks good. Let's try to catch a balance. Okay, there we go. Try to catch some bluegills right here. Gotta hurry though, because the battery's gonna die. It's very shallow too. Oh, jeez, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stand in front of it like this, or put it in front of me. I mean. Oh, I got one. Yeah, it's a bluegill. Oh, yes, got him. Now, let me unhook this guy first. There we go. You're perfect size for cut bait too, and you're slimy. Ooh, real slimy. All right, cool. Oh, I got a bite. Oh, I got him. Yeah. There we go. Nice. Another good fish for cut bait. Oh, I guess it worked. Just me walking over there just made him bite. Oh, they're over there. Oh, and I lost them. That was smart. Oh, now we're down to 1. Oh, David, good job, dude. Now we're down to 1. I was pouring it out so I could try to get the water out. Go ahead and try to do some catfishing. We got 1 bluegill. I'll probably just set the bait out and try to catch more. That way we don't run out. But I'm gonna go ahead and use this 3-ounce weight. That way it doesn't drip as much. All right, let's see here. Got my big heavy duty. It's a smaller hook, but I think it's okay. I don't want to put too big of a hook as of right now. Yeah, I should, but nah. I'm actually gonna cut the fish in half because I don't know. I feel like cut bait works a lot better here, as of what I know. So we're gonna go ahead and put the I said, this hook's a little small, but I think it's okay because I don't even know if there's any big fish here. Honestly. Not yet, at least. Just like that. Chuck this guy into the river. Set it over there. See what happens. I know there's a very deep hole right there. Very deep. There you go, right there, right in the current. Open the bell. And I hope nothing takes the rod. All right. And if it pulls it, we can hear it. Oh, there we go. There we go. What did I tell you guys? Something pulled it. You guys heard that. You guys heard that. Something pulled it, dude. Oh my gosh. That was not the current guy, that was a freaking fish. Oh, there we go. There we go. He hit it. Yep. Yeah, saw that. Rod tip went down hard. Oh my gosh, dude. You guys saw that. That went down hard. Oh, we got a big fish, dude. What the heck? Oh, dude, on a bobber. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my gosh, what is this, dude? Oh my gosh, what is this? What is this? What is this? Oh my gosh, big fish. Oh my gosh, big fish. On a bobber, dude, on a gulp minnow. Oh, it's a freaking carp. Oh, it's a smallie. Thing's huge. Big smallie. Oh my gosh. Bro, this smallie's massive. This is a massive smallie. Big smallie. Oh my goodness. Look at the tail on that thing. 4-pound test too. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm shaking, guys. I'm literally shaking. That's a nice smallie. Please stay on. Please stay on. Oh, I'm barely hooked. She is fat, dude. Oh my goodness. She is fat. She's a big girl, dude. Gotta walk her over here in the shallow. Dude. Oh my gosh. Gotta watch my other rod in case it goes in. Bro, you're massive. No, stay over here. Trap her in the rocks. Oh. Why? Dude, she's huge. Oh my gosh. Dude, it's a freaking 4-pound smallie. On a freaking gold minnow. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Guys, man, look at this. Look at how big that smallie is. Wow. Completely masked. Dude. Look at that fish, dude. That is a giant fish. Wow. On a gold minnow. I'm gonna keep him in the water while I talk to you guys. On a freaking gold minnow. I can't get over how big it is. My goodness. Look, show you guys one more time. Hopefully the lighting's good. Look at that fish, guys. Look at that behemoth. Oh my, look at the stomach. Completely behemoth only. Wow, dude. Wow. All right, we're gonna let it go. Oh my gosh. It's huge. Whoa. All right, see ya, buddy. Wow. What the hell just happened? Seriously. What just happened? So here I am. trying to catch bluegills off of this gold minnow, right? I'm gonna just stand out of this. Focus. Gold minnow, 1-inch gold minnow on a small foam bobber. Look at this. A 4-pound test. 4 pounds. Hands down, all day, every day. That was a big smallmouth bass. Like, I want to say pushing 4 pounds, at least 4 pounds, because those are girthy fish, healthy fish. I just couldn't believe it. Wow. Yeah. Oh, look at the color on this guy. Wow. Dude, I've never seen that before. Whoa, that's cool. Let me try to lip him. I've never seen such color. You are bait. Yes, rock bass. I told you there was 1 or 2 there. Just took forever. I'll keep you as bait, I guess. You're not that big, so. There we go. Oh my God, it's a nice one. You know what? Oh jeez, I'm gonna take my words for it. I'm gonna keep them, just in case. Who knows? Maybe they're by the dam, by that little pool. Oh, got hit. There we go. We got another one. Oh, we got another bluegill. Let's go. This one's even better. Oh, and I drop him. Good job. It's okay. Got him. Oh. Come on, take it. Hit it. There we go. We got him. Oh, it's a giant gill. Jeez, you are way too big to use this cut bait. I'm gonna hug you, lip you. That is a very nice gill. Look at that. Pretty. Look how dark it is and green. Yeah, we're gonna let you go for sure. You're way too big. I mean, I'll eat you, but I don't want you. It's a nice gill. See it. All right. I think that's it. So let's go. I'm gonna pack up while I'll leave that rod in the water. Oh, it's going. Yep, there we go. That's a nice fish. Oh my gosh. There we go, we're on. That's a big fish. Oh my gosh, it's a big fish, dude. Oh my gosh. Am I recording? Yep. I think it's a big fish. Oh, it's just a channel. Oh, he freaking snagged himself. He took the bait and he somehow snagged himself. Wow, dude, what the heck? How did you do that? Yeah, he took the bait. He snagged himself. That's cool, dude. Whoa. That's crazy. Well, it doesn't count, so, but it is a nice fish. Yeah, he took the bait because you can see all the slime on the line. Whoa, gave me a heart attack. That's a nice fat female. Look at that. Move down the river and we're on. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Yep. There we go. I knew it. He's on, yep. There we go, he's on. The channel. There we go. That's the channel we were looking for. Yeah. Freaking ate the whole thing. Dude, it's so fat. Oh my gosh. Wow, you're a chubby fish. And you're not the same one I snagged, so nice. Let's go. It's a nice channel catfish. I feel like he's gonna kick, so I'm gonna hurry up. She's fat too. Look at her stomach, dude. Massive. Wow. Look, see, y'all dirty now. Good job. Anyways, you guys know what channel look like. Look how dirty it is now. Alright, catch and release. Fat old female. As soon as I stop paying attention, right? Fat, nice female. Going back. See ya. Well, that's a wrap for today's video because storm is rolling in. Yeah, big heavy storm. My forehead, jeez, it got dark too. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Again, it was just a random outing. Come out here, catch some panfish, cut it up and throw it in there so we catch a channel catfish, which we did, so I'm happy. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button, leave the comments down below, hit the thumbs up, and we'll be doing this more often. Stay tuned.